morning, children. So we are going to take revision today. In the previous class, I given the pattern. Is it? Now I am going to the revision. That is third main. First main is fill in the blanks that we have to refer from worksheet. And second main, compare the following also you have to refer from worksheet. Next, third main. I am going to give now third main. Round off to the nearest tens, hundreds, and thousands. 3 also you have to round off. Round off to the nearest tens, hundreds, and thousand. Okay, 3,726 they have given. So for this number you have to round to the nearest tens, hundreds, and thousand. For one number only you have to write 3 also. Okay, 3, 7. It is the first we have to see for tens means what I told. You have to see the ones column. Ones column, what number is there? 6 is there. So 6 is there means rounded to next tens because 6 is greater than 5. 6 is greater than 5. Next we have to see the tens column. For hundreds means you have to see the tens column. What is the tens? 26 is the number is there in the tens column. So 26 is less than 50. So 3,700. 3,700. Next we have to go to the hundreds column. 7 is there. So 7 is greater than 5. So it will become to next 1,000. 7 is greater than 5. So it has to round to the next 1,000. Is it? So it will become 4,000. It will become 4,000. Next, one more sum. 37,264. 37,264. Here also again we have to check the ones column. Next, tens column. Next, hundreds column. Okay. So I have circled 3 different colors to understand only, children. Okay. First, ones column 4. 4 is less than 5. So it has become 37,260. Same tens only we have to round because if it 6 is greater than 5, so next tens I have written. Next tens I have written here, but here it is 4 is less than 5. So we are rounding to the same tens. Rounding to the same tens. Next, 37,064. 64 means it is greater than 5, 50. So greater than 50. So what we have to next tens. That is next 100. 37,300. 37,300. Next last one 37,264 is less than 500. 264 is less than 500. So it will become same 1,000. 37,000. If it is more than 500, we will round to the next 1,000. If it is more than, see here, 700 is more than 500. So I have round to the next 1,000. If it is less than 500, you have to round to the same 1,000. You have to round to the same 1,000. I think understand, children, all of you. Follow it properly, write it, pause it, and you can write it. Okay. Next main, fourth main. You have to see ones column, tens column, and hundreds column. It is 5, 50, and 500. These 3 you have to remember. Then only we can round the numbers easily to the nearest tens, hundreds, and thousand. This you have to, these 3 numbers you have to remember in mind. Keep it in mind and round it properly. Got it? Then we'll go for the next main. What is that? Solve and answer in Roman numerals. 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 Okay. The given question also in Roman numerals, and you have to solve it, and in Indo-Arabic numerals you have to solve it, and again you have to answer in the Roman numerals only. Okay, understand children? C minus XC. Next, XL minus they have given. Next, L minus XL2. So first, when they have given the question in the Roman numerals, these Roman numerals you have to convert into Indo-Arabic numerals. C means how much? 100 minus XC, 90. You have to solve here. 100 minus 90. How much? So 10. So answer is 10 means X. X is the answer. But also first you have to see the sign properly. Sign also is very, very important. Sign also is very, very important, children. See properly. Okay. XL plus triple X. So this sign is very, very important, children. See the sign properly and then you can solve the sums. First, see the sign, and also first you have to convert these Roman numerals into Indo-Arabic numerals. Then afterwards again we have to convert the answer into the Roman numerals. Okay. XL means 40 minus 35. 40 minus 35. So how much answer? 5 is the answer. 40 minus 35. And 3. 0. So 5 is the answer. So rougher column is there for you. You can solve in the rougher column. L. How much? What is the number of L? 50 minus XL2 means 42. 50 minus 42. So 50. How much 50? Number 50 minus 42. Yeah, 10. Yeah, 4. 10 minus 2, 8. So 8 is the answer. So what is the 8 answer? 5. 8 is the answer. Like this we have to write. Here plus they have given. So 40 plus 30, that equal to 70 is the answer. 40 plus 30, 70 is the answer. So LXX is the answer. LXX is the answer. Like this we have to see the sign properly. First you have to see the sign, and next you have to convert these Roman numerals into Indo-Arabic numerals. Then we have to solve it in the rough column. We have already, you will be having in the paper rough column. In that you have to solve the sums in the rough column, and again what answer we got, that we have to convert into Roman numerals. That we have to convert into Roman numerals. Got it, children? Once again. Okay. After this we'll go for the next main. Make the smallest and greatest 7-digit and 8-digit number. We'll go for that. Okay. Got it, everybody? You can pause it and you can write it also. Next main. First and second main you can refer from worksheet. Okay. Fill in the blanks and compare the following. You have to refer the worksheet. Same numbers only will not come, children. Properly listen carefully. The pattern is same, but the numbers are different. Okay. So read thoroughly, practice. How many times you want, that many times you can practice. Okay. third, fourth, fifth. Make the smallest and greatest 7 and 8 digit number. 8 digit numbers using the given digits by repeating it. By repeating it. By repeating it. Okay. Okay. Now 3, 5, 7, 1, 2, 0. They are given. One, 4, 3, 2, 6, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now we are going to the smallest and greatest 7 and 8 digit number. 7 and 8 digit number. Okay. Both numbers you are writing. Okay. They are given 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are given 6 digits. So first, if you are making 7 digit number, from smallest you have to write. Smallest means, which is the smallest number here? 0. 0 is the smallest number. So we have smaller number. So we have to repeat 0 twice for the 7 digit number and thrice for the 8 digit number. So 1, 0, 0, 2, 3, 5, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1 is enough. Yes. For 7 digit number, once we have to repeat, and for 8 digit number, you have to repeat twice. Sorry, thrice. Okay. Greatest number 7. So in this greater number is 7. So 7, 7, 5, 3, 2, 1, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. Got it? Like that. Okay, children. This is smallest and this is greatest 7 digit number. Okay. So we put the commas. Next, we go for this 8 digit. I will write down. This is 8 digit. This is 7 digit. Okay. Next, here, which is the smaller one? 1 is the smaller one. So one more time I have repeated, because they have given 6 digits. So for 7 digit means you have to repeat once, only once. For 8 digit means you have to repeat twice. Got it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have to get 7 digit number. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9. Here 9 is a greater number. So I am repeating one more time. That is once again. So 9, 6, 4, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is the greatest number. Okay. Now 8 digit number we are doing. For this only same 8 digit number, same numbers. 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 7, 7, 7, 5, 3, 2, 1, 0. Here 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9. here 9, 9, 9, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sorry, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. 6 I have left here. See properly and write, children. 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now you count after writing. Once again, you can check it by counting the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like this, we have to check it once again, recheck, and then only we can put the commas. Okay. Okay, got it? Once again, they have given 6 digits. We are here writing 7-digit number, smallest and greatest. Smallest ones I have repeated. What is the here? 0 is the smaller number. So 0 I have repeated once, and 7 is the greater number. So 7 I have repeated once. Okay. If it is 8-digit number, you have to repeat it twice. If it is 9-digit, thrice, like that. And afterwards, ascending order and descending order, we have to write smaller to bigger and bigger to smaller. Got it? Here 9 is the greater number, so I have repeated once. And here 9 is a greater number, so I have repeated it twice. Got it, children? So next, last main. We are going to the last main, that is Indian and international place value chart. Indian and international place value chart. This is the last main. Follow the class properly, children. Follow it, understand it, practice. You have a lot of time in the house, sitting at home. Don't waste your time. Okay. Valuable time is very precious, children. Valuable also. So if you waste your time again, we cannot regain it. Please concentrate, and how many times you want, that many times you practice it. Okay. For one number only, you have to write only the roughly I will explain the Indian and international, because already we have done, but because of test, I'm once again I'm recalling it. So in this both I will draw in one both only. So shortcut, I will write the names. So see properly, for one number only, you have to write Indian and international place value chart. Okay. Draw the Indian and international place value chart. Place value chart, and also write in words. Place value chart and write in words. Write in words. Okay. Write in words. Okay. First one mark. Only one I have given, one number. For one number, both you have to draw. Both also you have to. So I am dividing the board into two halves. One side Indian and another side international. Indian place value chart. International place value chart. Okay. For one number only, you have to draw both the charts. Okay. Okay, children, we'll go further now. 19, 26, I have put commas also. No need to put commas, but you have to write properly. 190, 642, 124. So for Indian and international, I only divided the place values, means groups. You only just we have to draw the chart and also you have to write in words. Okay. Okay, children. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Crores, 10 crores. So here, how many groups? 1, 2, 3 groups. So ones, tens, you have to write here. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores, 10 crores. Okay. So ones, tens, hundreds will be one group. 1,000, 10,000 one group. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. Okay, that is ones group, 1,000, lakh, crore. Okay, 1 T H T H T T H L T L C T C. So now we have to put the number 19 crores, 26 lakhs, 42,124. Now we have to write it in under the table, under the chart. What we have to write in words? What we have to write? 19 crores, 26 lakhs, 42,124. Same number only I am not going to give, children. The number will be different. So only the pattern I am giving. Listen properly, understand it and practice it. How many times if you practice, that is very good for you. You will become perfect. 124. Okay. Here we'll go for now. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay. So ones, tens, hundreds, one group. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, one group. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So ones, thousands, million. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So here 192, 642, 124. So this we have to write in words. What we have to write? How many million? 192 million. 192 million. 642,642,000. So when you are writing in words, the spelling should be correctly. So you have to write the spellings correctly. 642,124. 124. So you will confuse. So I'm writing different. So both also. So don't draw like this only. I've given lot of place for Indian separately and international separately. Lot of place we have given provided. So write neatly, and the paper should be kept properly. Don't put anything on the paper, and don't scrabble, and don't scratch it. Okay, children. If you mistake means simply one pencil. You take one pencil and one line. You have to mistake God. So one line you have to put. That's all. Only one line with the pencil. That's all, children. Don't put like this, like this. Don't do that work. Okay. Only one line you have to draw. Okay. So I think got it, everybody. This is the FA1 test portion, not paper, pattern paper, and I've done revision. So I'm not giving the same number. I'm going to give the different number. Don't think that same number only madam is given. No. So you have to follow the worksheet and revision. Okay, you have missed means see the classwork, textbook and everything, and write properly and neatly. The pencil with the gel pen you have to write, and for drawing the lines and all you have to use the scale. Okay, with pencil you have to draw the lines, and I have given lot of place for Indian, and separately I have done divided the groups also according to the place value. Just you have to draw the lines and you have to mention in the table, and you have to write in words. I have divided for international separately and Indian separately. Okay, I think got it, children, everybody. Once again I am recalling because test is there, no, for that purpose. Next Monday is the test, is it? Means 16, 17, 18 madam has already informed. I think everybody got it. So see the class properly, revise it. How many times you want, that many times. If you practice, it is very easy, children. It is not a difficult one. Okay, you have lot of time. Sit at home safely, stay at home safely, and practice it and learn it properly. Don't trouble your parents. And okay, understood, children, everybody got it? This is the Indian and international place value chart, and this is the last mine. All the best, children. Write neatly, don't scratch, and don't make the paper dirty. Bring the paper how we have given the paper. You have to submit the same method, same way. The paper will be coming back to us, and you have to submit that neatness only. That neatness only should be maintained, but you have to fill the paper, not that empty paper. I'm telling, we are giving the empty paper means we have to fill it and give. We have given all the mains. So what all the mains I have given, I have explained here. I have done revision also. So practice it. You have a lot of time. Okay, children. Thank you very much. All the best, and thank you very much.